Hi friends, this is CC. Welcome to Hobby Hands. In this vlog, we'll do an unboxing of the 1/72nd scale model of the MQ-1A Predator. It's made by Platz and it's a drone. The model was produced in 2008 and it was redesignated as an MQ-1A, M standing for multi-role and able to carry a couple of Hellfire missiles. So let's look inside the box. As you can see, the model is already half built, but at this stage let's look at what originally came with the box. So the first thing we look at is this instruction manual. There's 4 pages with about 2 pages worth of building. Quite simple, and there are not many parts. As you can see, this is a parts list. We've got 2 sprues molded in grey with pretty good molding and recessed panel lines. No ejector pin marks and not much flash. Molding is quite clean, and a few areas had to be cleaned with a scriber so that the panel lines would be made deep enough. As you can see, there are 5 color schemes and they're all in a gull gray, and a few versions differentiated by decals. Let's have a look inside. Again, as you can see, the model is already half built. And as you can see, this is the main fuselage with the wings and tail fins. The tail fins are actually molded into the fuselage. There's a little camera down here. Now let's look at the other parts. This is the main landing gear. That's the main wheels. That's a Hellfire missile. And that's the second one. And these are the pylons that come that hold the Hellfire missiles. This one is the nose gear with the wheel molded in. This is a tail fin. And that's the propeller. See how small it is. And these other parts are just the antenna. Again, very small parts. Let's look at the decals. They're very nicely printed. A lot of details. We won't use all of them, I'm sure. As you can see, the colors are very nicely printed. Well, that's about all there is in the box. The next thing we'll probably do is a build of this model. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. See you next time, and thanks for watching.